Accessing ASP objects in Delphi. This article demonstrates how to use COM to access ASP objects such as session. 1. Create a MtsObject. Look under the Multitier page in File-New. 2. Name it whatever you like. I called mine TTest. 3. Add a procedure called Tellme, just a test. 4. Register it with MTS. Yup, you guessed it, look in the menu. 5. Import the Microsoft Active Server Pages type library. Here is how you get access to the application, session, response, request objects. Unit 1. Interface uses MtsObj, MTX, ComObj, DASP_TLB, ASP type library _TLB, sysutils, type TTTest equals class, TMtsAutoObject, ITTest, protected procedure Tellme, safecall, and implementation uses ComServ, const IID_IDit context properties. TGUID equals 51372AF4CAE711CFB8100A00A2525. Procedure TTTest.Tellme, var vtd, IDispatch, RESP, response, REQ. Request, SES, ISessionObject, CP, IGetContext properties, SRV, server, app, IApplicationObject, begin object context.query interface, IID_IDit context properties CP, IDispatch, CP get property, response, query interface, IID_IResponse RESP, IDispatch, CP get property, request, query interface, IID_IRequest REQ, IDispatch, CP get property, session, query interface, IID_ISessionObject SES, IDispatch, CP get property, server, query interface, IID_IServer SRV, IDispatch, CP get property, application. Query interface, IID_IApplicationObject app, if assigned, RESP, and assigned, REQ, and assigned, SES, and assigned, SRV, and assigned, app, then begin RESP write, Yahoo this works. And initialization TAutoObject factory.create, ComServ, TTTest, class_test, CI multi-instance, TM apartment, and